Perfect results every time. Never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. What to cook? Sous vide, pronounced sue-veed, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Small but mighty. The 12.8 Anova Precision Cooker Nano stows away in any kitchen drawer next to the whisk and ladle, so your counters stay uncluttered and your favorite new cooking tool stays within reach. Nano easily attaches to any stockpot or container with a fixed clamp, and is constructed of super durable plastic that's easy to clean. Customer experience. Designed in San Francisco, California. Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app, created for cooks of every skill level by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. Top reviews from the United States. Cooking on a whole new level. Since I started cooking sous vide, my family says my cooking has gone to a new level. I started with the original Anova and just recently picked up the Nano. The Nano is awesome because it's much smaller versus the first Anova, making it easier to store in a drawer or something. It sounds trivial, but by making it easier to grab, I am more likely to use it versus the Anova, which I kept in a special case in the pantry. I have given up cooking in the Rubbermaid container with the silly lid and now just cook in a stockpot with this silicone lid from Cellar Made. Setup is so much quicker and I can cook a beef roast for 30 hours without adding any water. If you're just starting out in sous vide, I recommend this cooker. Don't worry about Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you don't need it, it's overcomplicated.